Welcome back to another episode of G-Man Fishing. We got a special live edition coming right at you today, where it's going to be called the Homemade Lure Challenge. So I've made a couple lures, and you guys will see that. But right now, I'm not doing a live stream. Right now, I'm just fishing until we're ready to do the live stream. Oh yeah. So I'm just throwing a still light right now on the lightning rod, the 7-foot medium action with the Corrado DC, baby. And then I got the other Shimano with the addictive float and the jig on, ready to throw that out there too today. And we don't have a lot of time before we go live, so we're only gonna get to fish a little bit like this before the live stream. Oh yeah, coming right at you from the Deschutes River. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So if you guys would like to see how I make those homemade spinners, well, just ask and you may receive. Eat him up here. Just eat him up here. Eat him up here. There you go. All right, Krista's got a fish. Krista's got a fish.
You both have poles in your hands.
Before I start fishing, I have to go get a battery. I didn't realize my battery was that low. Well, you caught him. That's all that matters, right? No, it's a whitefish. Oh. See, look at bug bait's fish.
Literally through the nostril.
Yeah, go ahead and kiss him and let him go.
Battery's almost dead.
Yes, I know. I gotta run up there and go get.
I was just showing you.
I missed one too. Oh, no. I'm like, what? She's like, I got one. And I'm like, and I'm like, oh, I missed mine.
I didn't even notice.
I hooked a couple fish, but
oh, yeah.
So y'all, I want y'all in YouTube land to meet the Green, Mr. Green, James Green. That is, he's a G-man too. He likes to play in some garbage during the week as well, as I do, you know. But how you been, man? I see that.
Some salsa.
Some salt. All right, I'm recording, babe. There we go. Fish on. Yep. First cast since I re-rigged this guy up, and I already got one. He's like, oh, why, man? Why? It feels like a good fish. Good fish. Oh yeah, wow, it's a big one. That's a big one. Wow, it's a big one. Yeah, I'll want the net for this guy. Oh wow. It is big.
Be careful with the water, you might.
Get it down in there, get it down in there. Oh wow. Oh wow, look. Wow, can you say gigantic?
Wow.
First cast after re-rigging that one up. Wow, what?
You're not even 5 seconds into the cast.
I know, right? That was pretty spectacular. Hooked him right in the corner of the mouth where you're supposed to hook a fish. This will make a good thumbnail if I can get it out. Oh, my pliers aren't even in my pocket.
Where are they?
I don't know. Must be, yeah. Just want to get this hook and get. Oh, I know it's a healthy fish. Okay, I got it, babe.
Wow.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'll pick it up and show you guys real quick and let it go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Don't hold it from down there. There's too much weight up here.
I'll get him. Don't worry. Okay, I got it. Wow, look at the size of that fish. Wow, that's 20 plus. What's that?
I'm snagged right here.
Oh, wow. Oh, I re-got him again with my fly
Hold this.
when I was trying to grab him out of the net. Okay. All right, you guys ready? I'll kiss him and then I'll let him go. Okay, y'all.
Goodbye, baby.
Sweet. That's a beautiful fish, huh?
Yep. Here, let me get that. This.
There we go. There we go. There's another one. Come on, don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Stay on. Okay, get that net ready. Ooh, yeah. Come on, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. There you guys. There you go. All right, one for you or your nephew. I'll let you try to catch your own fish, Bob. Take this one for nephew. If perhaps you don't catch any fish, you can have the ones that are meant from nephew because he's not here, you know.
That wouldn't be fair to nephew.
It would be fair because he doesn't know that we're keeping fish for him.
Exactly.
All right. Okay, here you go. Go ahead and try. Go ahead and try and catch one. I'm gonna bleed this guy out. Beautiful whitefish. Oh, where's my
Right here.
Oh, it's singled in the front.
cast?
Really great cast. This slack you may want to reel in.
Yeah, that's just like you want to reel in. Okay, that's good. That's good. See how it's starting to tighten up?
Yeah.
Oh, you just missed a fish,
wow.
bro. You just missed a fish. Get it. Oh, missed him. If you miss him, just keep drifting. Don't reel in. So,
Feeling the bite.
It could just be bottom.
could be. Could be.
The gun, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, you got one. You got one. Okay. You know, I'm going to bleed this guy out. And all you do is you just cut the gills like that. And that's how you bleed them out. Oh, yeah. That one is too small to keep, I think. Really, don't roll it into the bugs. Tricky. Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yep, give me some slack. Okay. Set that right there for now. Here's your little fish, bud. Let's get a picture of you and your fish.
Me and my fish.
Yep.
I got my phone.
I got my phone too.
Child,
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
you. That's. Focus picture.
All right. Very nice. All right. That's going to be the thumbnail. We're going to make that into a thumbnail, y'all. All right. Okay, let him go. Make sure you kiss him before you let him go. Well, I accidentally grabbed his eyeball.
Don't squeeze it too tight, Orion.
Okay.
You could kill him.
Kiss him.
that way. Mwah.
Okay. All right, get out there and get another one. He's fine. He's swimming.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Would that still work?
Yes. Just go ahead and toss it out. Good cast. Good cast. You're gonna get there, bud. You're gonna get there. You're good. You're good. Roll the slack. Roll the slack. Roll the slack in case if you get a bite, you'll be able to feel it.
Am I gonna?
Did you get him? Yep, she got it. Hers. Oh yeah. That one looks like it's a little on the small side, sis. Unless you want to keep him for your nephew or Orion.
Oh, it's too
That's
small.
too small.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Here you go, sister. Everybody's catching fish. Bounce it a little bit. See?
Hey,
There,
stop.
see? Just like that.
Stop it. Stop. Stop.
They usually don't listen to you, sweetheart.
Yeah. I'm trying to
Go ahead and
help
cast
you.
out there, bro. Can't catch them if you're not fishing. Choo. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
Hey, buddy.
Yep. Bye, little buddy.
Did that other one swim off?
Yeah, he did. There we go. That's another keeper. That's another keeper. Oh, yeah. Hold still, bud. Are you gonna axe you?
Let me get a picture of it.
Sure. I gotta show these guys with the camera.
Okay, show me the fish. Okay.
Okay, we're just gonna cut his gills and
Pay
throw 'em in.
attention.
Wow, you are.
Where did that even
He already
go?
hit. It's way over there. I'm like, wow. He's becoming a profesh at casting. You got a fish on there, bro.
Oh, roll.
You just drop. When you set that hook,
Yeah, up,
Okay.
left, up.
yeah, but keep it tight. You're going like that. You're setting the hook and then you're going like that. Don't do that. You're gonna miss more fish doing that. All right.
Keep your tip up when you set
Yep.
the hook.
Keep it back. That way you. Did you get him? I don't. Did you get him, babe? Yeah, you got him.
Yep. I think it came off.
Yeah, I think so.
Dang it. I saw him too.
Couple beautiful fish. Excuse me.
I should have grabbed the water off the car.
The water off the car, huh? All right. Yeah, I seen it hit. Go ahead. Not really in that slack. You got a bit of wind helping you have an even bigger bow in your line. So that's
Not looking it too hard.
gonna make it harder to set the hook, but okay, good. Good. Hard to tell if it's a biter or if it's a bottom
I
eye.
know. Oof.
But some of them are bites. You just gotta. Ooh, got him! He got him! Ooh.
I gotta reel mine inside.
Yeah, get it out of the way.
Mine was under his.
He's just like so excited. He's really like he's a madman. Get that rod tip up. That way you can see what's going on with your flies and stuff. That's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a good keeper. All right, quit reeling, just pull him to him. Good keeper. Wow, that's a